This video demonstrates the offering creation and publication from an open data portal. This process is essentially different from the standard offering creation and publication, since we will be using a mechanism that simplifies the process. Normally, we would be using the Publish tab on the Marketplace UI, which has already been explained in a separate video. In short, it allows providers to fill the corresponding fields in order to create the offering. Properties like the title of the offering, the description, and more importantly, the URL from which Sedimarc will retrieve the data are all available for the provider to customize. However, we have developed a module called the Open Data Enabler which automizes the offering creation when data is retrieved directly from an open data portal. This is possible because these portals use the standard description language RDF, which allows us to directly map the fields from the dataset descriptions into the offering language. In order to use it, we run the module and use its REST interface to request the creation of a new offering. Two parameters are given. First, the RDF of the open data portal that will be crawled for information. Second, the access URL that will act as the endpoint for the data. This access URL field also serves as a way to identify the correct distribution that the provider wishes to publish, because a dataset in RDF may have several distributions depending on factors such as data format. The Open Data Enabler will respond with a fully compliant Sedimarc offering, whose properties are automatically filled from the RDF fields of the dataset. This offering can now be posted into the Offering Manager, which will finalize the publication process in the Sedimarc Marketplace. This concludes the demonstration of the creation and publication of offerings from open data portals.